Hi students, welcome to our maths class. So in 9th class syllabus, already we have seen some basic concepts of coordinate geometry. Okay, so first formula, what did I tell you in the coordinate geometry? Distance formula, right? Distance formula, it is very important. Distance formula. What is the distance formula? When we are given 2 points in the plane, for example x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, 2 points are given. So to find the distance between these 2 points in the coordinate plane, we use this formula, square root of, proof also I told you how to calculate. Watch the video, learn it. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square units. This is the formula to find the distance between 2 points. So let us see some problems on this concept. Find the distance between the points. Find the distance between the points. Proof I told you in the previous class. Watch that. Between the points 2 comma 3 and 1 comma 1. So 2 points are given. So given points are 2 comma 3, 1 comma 1. Okay, let me take this is A and this is B, x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, I am going to find the distance between the points 2 comma 3 and 1 comma 1. So write first formula. What is the formula to find the distance between these 2 points? AB bar is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square units. Okay, now I will find out distance here. Square root of x2 means what? 1. Substitute the values. What is x2 here? 1 minus 2 whole square plus y2 value also 1 minus y1. Did you understand this? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substitute. Square root of 1 minus 2 means how much? Minus 1. This is minus 2. Minus 1 whole square is 1 because minus into minus plus. Here also minus into minus plus. 2 2s are 4. So square root of 5 units. So therefore answer is, what is the distance between 2 points here? So root 5 units. Okay. Usually we use either tape or scale or thread to find the distance normally between 2 points. But in the coordinate system we have one particular formula. Particular formula is this. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, this we will see one more. 1 comma 2 and minus 3 comma 4. Second one, 1 comma 2 and minus 2 comma 4. Minus 3 comma 4, sorry. Minus 3 comma 4. So formula is same. I'll substitute C. So 1 comma 2 minus 3 comma 4. So consider x1 y1, x2 y2. So find the distance. Now AB distance is equal to square root of x2 means minus 3 minus x1 1 whole square plus y2 means 4 minus y1 means 2. So square root of minus 3 minus 1 how much? Minus 4 plus 2. 16 plus 4. Square root 20. So square root 20, can I express it as 4 5s here? 4 square root I know 2 root 5 as it is. Therefore, answer is 2 root 5 units. Because the distance now, so 2 root 5 units. So finding distance between 2 points, we use this formula. Listen carefully. Next question. What points on the y-axis? What point or points on the y-axis is or are at a distance of 10 units, at a distance of 10 units from the point minus 8 comma 4. Okay. So what is the point on the y-axis? I told you horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis. So point of intersection of coordinate axis is called origin. Okay. So on y-axis, already in the introduction I told you, on the y-axis what is the general form of a point? 0 comma y means x coordinate of a point on y-axis is 0. On x-axis, y coordinate is 0. Remember that. On x-axis, this is positive. If you take this side, we will take minus x comma 0. Suppose if you take here 0 comma minus y. So it depends on. It is positive x-axis, it is negative y-axis. Sorry, positive y-axis, negative y-axis. Positive x-axis, negative x-axis. So let me take P of 0 comma y be a point on y-axis, because they said here what point on the y-axis. Which form we can take it on the y-axis? X coordinate should be 0. So that point I will take it as a given point is what? I will take it as a minus 8 comma 4. Now as per the data what is given here? Distance between these 2 points is 10 units. So AP distance is given as 10 units. Find out distance between these 2 points and make it equal to 10. See there, at a distance of 10 units from the point minus 8 comma 4. Our required point is 10 units distance from this given point. That means AP is equal to 10 units. So I will find out here distance. What is A here? Minus 8 comma 4. P is what? 0 comma y. Take it as this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Can you find the distance now? What is the formula to find the distance? I told you already, x2 minus x1 whole square. x2 means 0, minus x1 means already minus is there, plus 8. Understood here? x2 means 0, minus x1 means already minus is there, plus 8. y2 means y. minus y1 means 4 whole square equal to 10. So to remove the square root, I will take squaring on both sides. So 8 square means 64 plus y minus 4 whole square equal to 10 square means how much? 100. Did you understand here? Squaring on both sides means square and root will be cancelled. So this will be there. Y minus 4 whole square equal to 100 minus 64. So y minus 4 whole square equal to 36. That implies y minus 4 is equal to square, if it goes that side, square root 36. So y minus 4 equal to plus or minus 36. So y minus 4 equal to 6, y minus 4 equal to minus 6, y equal to 6 plus 4, y equal to minus 6 plus 4. So this is minus 2, this is 10. So required points are, what are the required points here? My assumption is P of 0 comma y. 0 comma y means I can take 10, or P of 0 comma y means I can take minus 2. So 0 comma 10 or 0 comma minus 2. Anyway we can take. Hope it is clear. We will see one more problem. Practice carefully. It will be easy for you. Next question, if the distance between the points, if the distance between the points, 4 comma k and 1 comma 0, 4 comma k and 1 comma 0 is 5 units. Find k. Okay, distance is given here. Given points are, I will take a of 4 comma k, b of 1 comma 0. I will take it as x1 y1, x2 y2. Okay, and as per the data what is given here, distance between A and B is given as 5 units. So I can find the square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal to 5. Distance formula I applied here. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Square root of minus 3 whole square plus minus k whole square equal to 5. So that means 9 plus k square equal to 5. To remove square root, what should you do? Squaring on both sides. 9 plus k square equal to 5 square means how much? 25. So k square equal to 25 minus 9. K square equal to 16. K equal to square root 16. K equal to plus or minus 4. Therefore k value how much here? Plus or minus 4. Okay. We will see some more problems in the next class. Thank you.